So I found a Ford truck, and it looks like this at one time was a man-made structure. So I'm in the middle of the woods now. There's this woods. Look at that. But it's great when you find stuff from a lost life once. Somebody lived here. These man-made structures, you know, somebody probably had a house here or something. It's pretty cool. You can see that was bolted in. But you can see some sort of structures here, and they just decayed. No more wood left, just concrete. But you can see the remnants. Whatever was metal. So here, look at that. That's an old fridge. Isn't that something? Looks like a little old gas can or something. But look at that. Old fridge. Found a Ford, part of a Ford truck. Further down that way, and I got another vehicle, front of a vehicle over here. Take a look. It's amazing how nature just takes things back. Once this was probably somebody thriving and living here, just enjoying his life. Now, nature just took it all back. That's amazing to me. Look at that. Nature just grows out of what once was. You know? Definitely somebody lives here. Some sort of structure around here. And you can see in distance. We'll go over to that in a second. I want to just check out this ridge right here. See if we see anything else up here. That is amazing to me. And when somebody was thriving and living here, nature just gobbled it all back up. And you can see, look, that's probably something. Way to right, there's